All right. Module 10, assignment 4, audit array formulas. Oh, sorry, find incorrect workbook errors. Okay, so this is going to be a different exercise than we did last time. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a watch that displays the value in cell D20. Okay, so I'm going to go click on the cell. I'm going to resize this real quick so we can see both. All right, so D20. I'm going to come over to my formulas tab. Okay, so I'm going to be doing some of my checking. I'm gonna, now that I'm here, I've selected in the cell I want, I'm gonna click watch window. I'm gonna hit plus, so it's gonna watch this. Okay. Now I'm gonna click in cell D8 and display the values precedence. Okay. Again, I'm up here, I'm looking up in this, so it says trace precedence. Okay, so now it's shown me that this cell is based on these ones. Okay, if we were to go back into our example, I won't do that just yet. But you could do this in our mortgage worksheet to see where everything came from and what it fed to if you would like. Okay. So we're going to remove the tracer arrows. All right, we're going to click in cell 1A, and then we're going to use the error checking dialog box to identify the errors in cell D21. Now, the reason this is going to work is just like your spell check in Word. Once you click this, sort of error checking, it's going to check the whole document. Okay. Go ahead and do error checking. Oh, let me download this one. Let me download it. Okay. Open it back up. I had already edited that last one. Okay. Do we still have an error? Yeah, we have an error on this one. Okay. So I've done my D20. I've gone over here to my formulas. I said, watch this window. Okay. It's being watched. I've gone here. I've traced my precedence. Okay. Remove the arrows. Now I've gone here and I've said, okay, check for errors. And it jumped down here. This happened to be the first one it found. So this is where it came to. All right. So let's see. Show the tracer arrows for the error. Okay. Options. Let's see. It doesn't allow me to do it there. Oh, trace error. There we go. Okay, so it's traced it now. It's telling me that, look, it's pulling from these two cells, and this cell right here is blank. Okay, so let's update it. All right, I'm going to edit in formula bar. I'm going to change this to 20, hit enter, and I no longer have an error there. All right, use the evaluate formula dialog box. While clicked in this cell, so I'm going to click in this cell, I'm going to say show formula. It's going to show it to me. Okay. I'm going to uncheck show formulas. It no longer shows it to me. Okay. So that's one way to see what's there. But evaluate formula is a different one. So I'm going to go ahead and click back on this. Let's find where the evaluate formula is. I couldn't see it, so it might be hidden. Let's see. I don't see an evaluate formula option. Let me see. Let me right click. I do not see an evaluate formula option here. So I think once you've done this, you can go ahead. Let's see. And you can show formulas, and that's effectively the same as it is for those of you on PC who use the evaluate formula. So once you've done that, go ahead and delete the watch that you created. Okay, it's in here. All right. There you go. And then you will save, and this is what you'll submit.